Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking to up your stock game? Today we're diving into the world of stock research apps that can take your investing to the next level. First up, Robinhood. This app has revolutionized the way people trade stocks. It's super user-friendly and perfect for beginners. You get real-time data, customizable news feeds, and commission-free trading. Next, Yahoo Finance. A treasure trove of financial information trusted by millions. It's completely free. You get detailed stock quotes, news, and interactive charts. Track your portfolio and set up personalized alerts. For in-depth research, check out Seeking Alpha. Expert analysis, earnings call transcripts, and crowdsourced ratings. MarketWatch is fantastic for market trends and financial news, real-time data, and personal finance advice. Lastly, TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, a powerhouse for advanced traders with advanced charting tools and paper trading. So there you have it, 5 incredible apps to help you become a stock market whiz. Click the link in the description for a special offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy investing!